I'm on a hunt for a new foundation, and finally Lancome released brand new foundation, my friends. Also, today in this video I'm gonna show you very easy eye makeup look because I'm on extremely pain. Look at my dark circles under my eyes, discoloration, pigmentation. I'm very sick. Also today I'm gonna show you brand new Dolce & Gabbana blush, new eyeshadow from MAC. Oh my god, you need to see this. This is it's incredible lip balm from Burberry, my friends. Let's start. My name is Katerina and I'm your favorite beauty stylist, my friends. I don't know about you, but when I am sick, I need to cover my dark circles on the eyes, I need to cover my discoloration, pigmentation, and today we're gonna try brand new foundation stick from Dior. It is very cute, beautiful packaging. It looks like this. I actually really like this nude color. We have a big name Lancome rose in the top. 46, I believe, dollars. It's 9 grams of product, and if you will compare it to Dior, $10 more, and 1 gram products, it's a little bit more right here, but we definitely have extremely strong perfume inside of Dior foundation and Lancome. It's fragrance free. You can use this foundation under your eyes. You can use this foundation and you can use it as a bronze. I have two color. I have color 03. Also I forgot to mention this foundation. It's 24-hour hydration foundation, stays really good. And okay, this is it's 03, and if I will swatch right now, it looks like almost my skin, but a little bit more warm. But I have another color, and this is its color 220. 220, it looks really cool undertone, and 03, it's warm undertone. Believe me or not, I'm gonna blend right now these two foundation. This is it's 220. It looks really good. It looks like my skin. And then I'm gonna blend this one, 03. It's almost also invisible on my skin. Which one do you prefer? If I wanna stay pale or sick, I will go with 220. But if I want a little bit look healthy or lifted or little bit tan, 03 color I'm gonna choose. Okay, when I feel this foundation, all what I can say, my friends, this foundation, it feels like a mousse. It's like a simple way to say it's like a slicky silicone feeling, and I like it. Fragrance free, it's not dry, it's very creamy. I'm looking for my brush. Oh my goodness. I have a mess in front of me. Okay, and I'm gonna use my dollar store foundation brush. Yes, even I reviewing luxury makeup, but if I see somewhere else and it's a good deal, I always buy. This is its brush from a dollar store. Probably more than 1 year old. Wow, look at how pretty this foundation. Nice coverage like I like, but I can tell this foundation can be buildable coverage. If you want less, you can just apply less. Wow, I'm impressed. It's glowing, it's giving me nice coverage. I like this color. Just look at this side, look at this side. Wow, I'm really impressed. And I like how it's, I believe, even minimize my pores. Wow, I like my skin. Let's use lighter color under my eyes a little bit, and this is 220. I think I put a little bit too much. You know what? I have a beauty blender. Just gonna slightly, a little bit take extra. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like this foundation. It's a perfect formula for me, but I think I need to go a little bit all over with my beauty blender because I feel I put a little bit too much. Again, it's a new foundation, but if I will compare this foundation to old Lancome foundation, I don't see any difference. I think they just repackaged it, but I am probably a little bit wrong, but I feeling it's the same. If you travel, it's a good foundation. If you oily, I will say skip. If you have a lot of texture, I will say skip. Normal to dry, normal to little bit oily, it's okay. But again, I like to go with a little bit with my beauty blender. And now my skin looks amazing. Let's add a little bit bronze, and this is it's bronze from Dior. Gonna apply really close to my hairline. This is its color 02, a little bit right here underneath and right here. Time for a blush. This is it's one of my favorite new blush right now from Dolce & Gabbana. Look at how cute case. It is waterproof, it's creamy, it's balmy, it's rich. $48. I really like this design and I like this color. And this is its color Demi Rose 01. I also bought another color, but okay, it's really bright, and this is its color 02. Sometimes I'm using this on my lips and getting compliments, but for look which one I want to create today, we're gonna go with color 01. Again, this is it's so pretty. You can use your finger like I am, or you can use a brush. This color will look almost good on every single one. It stays good. Again, it's a very pretty soft pink color, and this color always looks a little bit like a more pinky cool undertone on me, but when I'm looking it's like more neutral. But this is it's fabulous color, my friends. Let me put this on my lips because don't have any taste. It's a very pretty pink color. I like this color a lot. Summer it's here and we need a put little bit highlighter, and this is it's from brand Merit color Bouncy, I believe. Oh my god, if you will tell me like 3-4 years ago I'm gonna like cream products, I will say no way. I used to be not just oily, I used to dream to have a dry skin. Now my skin is normal to dry, and I absolutely in love with this cream products, and cream products looks very natural, my friends. Okay, this is it's a beautiful highlighter on me. It don't look like intense, it looks natural glow, or I will say it's a quite expensive look. Hello Las Vegas, my friends, but I don't mean like I'm going to a show. It's like you have somebody else who has a lot of money and take you to most expensive restaurant in Las Vegas. For me, it's my husband. Yes, I am so lucky to have my husband and 2 kids. Time to work on my eyes, but I really wanna ask you for a big favorite, my friends. I know you see a big difference where I start, where I am right now. I look young, healthy, I don't look no more in pain, and it's all because I use a good makeup and I create a very easy makeup step. If you like this step, if you see a big difference, please give a like to this video. It will help me a lot to grow my YouTube channel, because I don't know why I really right now struggling, and I don't know why. I don't know what I do wrong. I think I teaching you, I showing you nice products, I telling you when it's sell, releases, but my YouTube channel is growing so slow. Okay, I do not like this concealer under my eyes. It's creasing. I'm gonna put one of my favorite concealer. When I use this concealer, I never even use eye cream underneath because it's very creamy and very rich. This is creaseless concealer from brand Tarte, and it's my color, I believe 13N, and I actually like to leave this concealer sometimes under my eyes just like this for 1, 2, 3 minutes, because the concealer just settles and melts, kind of a little bit pre-dry. Even this concealer, it's really rich, but it looks way more better this way. For my eyes, first step, it's lash curler. Yes, after 40, I recommend to every single of you get lash curler. What it does, it's curl your lashes and it's lift your eyes. Then we're gonna use a primer. This is actually eyeshadow from brand MAC, and this is color Brulee, very light color, and I like to apply on entire my eyelid, and I really like to apply underneath my brow bone. This is, again, you can use this product as a shadow, or you can use this as eyeshadow primer. But look at how pretty this color and this product on entire my eyelid. It's bright, it's lift, it looks so beautiful, right? Now I'm gonna use eyeliner, and this is from Lancome waterproof. I'm gonna apply this product really close to my lashes. It's a beautiful brown bronze color. I have only one eyeshadow and eyeliner, and this is already look amazing, my friends. I can add mascara and I'm ready to go to work. But because I have the newest eyeshadow palette from Chanel, and a lot of you purchase this eyeshadow from me, thank you so much. Love you more than ice cream. All products I will put in my link below. I'm gonna show you how to use this palette. I'm gonna use just light color. I have a big blending brush, and if you're gonna ask me, Katerina, what brushes should I have? If you come to me, if you're gonna work with me, I always say you should have 3 or 4 big blending brushes, my friends. Okay, this is one color, and I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. I am setting this MAC cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply this color a little bit more right here in the corner, and again on entire my eyelid. This is, it looks very clean, polished, not too much, and it's really pretty, my friends. Sorry for my English if I'm making a little bit mistake, but I know you understand me. Originally I'm from Ukraine. If I can sell $1 million, it means people understand me, right? Okay, right here I apply on entire my eyelid. Yeah, I used to sell this, not anymore. Too thick to sell. Okay, another big blending brush, and you know what? I can use any of these 3 colors, but I'm gonna use this color, the darkest color, but it's not like I'm gonna put too much. I almost removing from my brush. I added in product inside my brush, and this is gonna be my middle color. You see, it's not too dark, and I'm gonna apply right here a little bit on the corner of my eyes, and I pushing a little bit up where it's the end of my brow. My eye makeup, it's done. Time to use a new mascara, and it's a lengthening mascara from brand Merit, and it's a tubing mascara. I don't know why I am so right now into a tubing mascara, because I think it's so easy to remove, it's not runs, it's not crease, and it stay all day long. Good separation, very nice link. I'm on purpose don't using any primer because this is its new mascara. I'm just trying today. It is linked, not much volume, but I kind of like this soft lush flirt. My makeup looks so soft and I'm looking really young, but I feel I want to add a little bit lashes, and it's from Love Yourself lashes. All what I do, I apply them right here underneath, press, and look at this difference, one my eye and another eye. I do not like apply them right here on the bottom, just a little bit higher, but they absolutely spectacular, my friends. Again, I just add only 3, and the individual one, 3 strip I put. I like them a lot. And now I'm gonna show you the beautiful eyeshadow from Lancome, Celestia Spark. Oh yes, look at these sparkles, my friends. All what you need to do, apply in the center of your eye, in the corner. It's so beautiful. It's really sparkly, it's really shiny. I like this eyeshadow a lot. Also, you can put on your hand and apply on your chest, on your décolleté, on your leg. This looks amazing. It's really sparkly, my friends. And finally, I'm gonna introduce you brand new lipstick from brand Burberry, Bridge Shine Lipstick, $45. It's come in so many different colors. Look at how beautiful, spectacular, expensive this case. I love this case a lot. It feels luxury. It's lipstick and lip balm together. You choose a color Desert Rose, but it's so pretty. Let me remove a blush from my lips. Remember, I have a blush and it looks very pretty. I look very young, but this color, which one I'm gonna show you right now, it's gonna give me this very extra pop, and I'm not sure which one do I like, soft pink color on my lips or Desert Rose. Okay, I'm removing. Also, for some reason, this blush on my lips have like a it's like a cooling little bit, like feels like a cooling on my lips. Okay, let me show you this. I get in so many compliments. I'm so excited, I forgot even put lip liner, but this lipstick lip balm, not run, not crease, it's creamy, it's rich, it's not sheer, it's a nice color. This lipstick give me completely different look. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this color or do you like a blush on my lips? Because it's totally different look. Now let's add a little bit loose powder from brand Sicily. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my nose, right here, and my makeup is done. What do you think? That it's a biggest transformation? Do I look better? I personally feel better, I look better, I'm ready for work. And this is what it makeup done. Makeup make a magic. You saw me before and after. It's totally different, big difference, right? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, give a like to this video, and I will see you soon.